Hi everyone and welcome back to Home Sip. I am Nader and it is finally summer. Not officially, but it's hot outside, people are enjoying life, everybody goes to the lake, and I also went to a boat party yesterday with all my friends, and as I always do, I make the drinks for them. So this time I asked, what do you guys want this time? And somebody said, Pina Colada, yeah, Pina Colada. But then one said I wanted lighter, the other one said I wanted less sweet, the third one said I wanted frozen and creamy. So I was like, wait. Let me write that down and I'll make all three different Pina Coladas and see which one you like the most. So without further ado, let's see how to make them. That's how you can make 3 delicious Pina Coladas. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!